The miracle you are looking for, my darling child, is already beginning to weave itself into the fabric. Throughout your life, frequently at the most unexpected times, cling to your beliefs and never lose heart in your commitment. Every obstacle you encounter is really a stepping stone, rather than a barrier. Stone that I created to help you get closer to your actual destiny. Don't give up or lose heart the strides we've made together if you're prompted to submit your requests for prayer. See how I open doors that appeared unbreakable as you go below. You are surrounded by blessings after blessings, and it's not by accident that you find yourself at this moment. Since I freely offered you compassion and mercy throughout your most difficult moments, when weakness seemed to take hold of your very soul, I was the one to raise you and give you the courage to. Despite knowing that you are not intended to, keep going toward the successes that lie ahead. Bear your weights by yourself. I'm here for you at all times. Support her every morning as you ask for my advice and acknowledge I'm always by your side, ready to bestow upon you riches and knowledge. Remove the barriers from your way to enable you to succeed in all that you do, and keep in mind the benefits of I provide do not materialize as global notoriety or wealth, since these are ephemeral and frequently leave the spirit lacking. Rather, my blessings are intended to last and satisfy as you proceed on your path, filling your life with true happiness and tranquility. Maintain an open mind to the divine blessings I have in store for you. Enhance not only your life, but also the lives of individuals in your immediate vicinity. Contemplate every experience, obstacle, and happy moment is a part of something bigger. The tapestry I am creating in your life. You are not a lone traveler here, Root, but a treasured segment of a universally shared divine story. Every individual you see and every tale you hear gives your own. Accept these links, as they are essential to comprehending the depth of my affection, and the complex ways I use each of you to achieve more than you could have ever imagined. And never forget, my kid, that in your life's grand design is meticulously built with boundless understanding and affection, faith in my perfect timing and purpose, for we will investigate the breadth of your potential and the magnificence of your soul. Let this reassurance to give you the optimism and vigor to face each day with bravery and a heart full of prayer, prepared to accept all of my blessings, ready for you to recall the quest for material wealth, esteemed titles, or the seeking me will lead you to true fulfillment, not the transient praise of others. Completely and sincerely love me. You will undoubtedly receive honors and rewards. However, this accolade is not meant for self-glorification or to put you above. Instead, it is an appeal to humility to share your gifts with everyone you meet. People, especially those in need. Your attention should be on the people rather than the welfare of people, beginning with those closest to you. Never, as a family, pursue prosperity at the expense of abandoning your loved ones. Nor pursue public acclaim, while those closest to you long for your Lord, am the living God, clothed in splendor and grandeur. Though my love is the purest of all loves and existence is eternal, never forget who I am. Additionally, there is a burning fire, and I am angry with those who want to take my honor. Those who take pride in themselves and flaunt their warped narratives elicit my fury. But if you come to me with an honest and pure heart, there is ample love, grace, mercy, a crown, and the assurance of a real blessing of glory. Hold these truths close to your heart as you navigate this earthly journey. The little things that really make you happy and create relationships that improve your soul, it's not about taking over the world. Rather, it's about enhancing the grace and love that emanate from our partnership, our true acts of giving. Should live in humility, understanding that the greatest blessings come not from worldly prosperity, but rather from the love and honor for individuals in your vicinity, and interact with the outside world as a representative of my light in a society that frequently regards the superficial as a source of profundity and demonstrate empathy for the oppressed, extend benevolence to strangers, and offer consolation to. Sadly, let your life serve as an example of the principles we hold dear, and let your deeds reflect your faith and love. In this manner, you will bring heaven a little bit closer to you, in addition to inheriting the kingdom I have prepared for you. To make a difference in the lives of many people on earth, never forget that in every day, I am at your side, advising and encouraging you. Let this assurance give you comfort and assurance as you carry out your faith, and if we work together, we can leave a loving legacy that will last long. After you have already departed from this world of earth, as you wake up every day, my blessings rest upon you, my love. Feel the warmth of the first light of dawn as it surrounds you. You awaken, open your eyes, hesitate, close them once more, and extend a hand to I talk to you in the stillness of that holy silence. You will hear my voice and feel my reassuring hand resting on your shoulder, implanting a promise that lasts from this day forth, gently, deep within your spirit, a word of peace and strength. Eternity, accept this blessing every day with an open heart and immerse your mind in it. You find yourself in this endless stream of my affection, which is kind, tolerant, and free of as you submerge yourself in these waters of pride, and all vanity's transformation starts, and you'll find yourself yearning to obey my wishes with greater fervor, rather than influenced by rage or the desire to do bad deeds, rather than finding happiness in transgression. Your heart will gladden in the reality. This change in attitude is what I longing for you, is a manifestation of my steadfast, abiding love for you. You in a divine embrace that provides solace and rejuvenation every day. Allow this comprehension to influence all of your interactions and understanding that my supernatural love serves as both a shield and a guiding force. Light constantly guiding you back to authenticity and providing you with limitless chances for growth and redemption. Every day is a new beginning, an opportunity to embody this love and share its transforming and restorative power with everyone in its path. Additionally, this love calls you to act as a peacemaker and a truth-teller in a world that frequently appears to be led by deceit and conflict. By emulating the qualities of this God's love, kindness, patience, humility, and hope become a part of you. Evidence of my existence in the world by your deeds and remarks. Encourage in order to demonstrate to others that a life based in divine love is not only conceivable, but incredibly rewarding. Keep in mind, my child, you are. You are never alone on your path because I am always here to provide comfort and support. Courage as you proceed to follow in my footsteps. And may the assurance and serenity of let my love lead you at all times, and have faith that it will carry you through obstacles to encourage you during times of despair and to rejoice with you during moments of happiness. This is my eternal blessing to you, an unbreakable connection that goes beyond moment and circumstance. The love that surrounds you is a potent miracle that is taking place inside of you. Your heart is the exact solution to the silent plea you've been whispering in night, the desire you've cherished for so long. The moment is drawing near for you to one that there is a God who genuinely loves, who made enormous sacrifices for their souls, and who grants them eternal life and genuine happiness. Everyone who embraces this love will discover the solution to every problem. Aside from sincerely accepting it and letting rid of any shame or negativity that taints your heart, my eyes look through the earth is home to modest, true hearts like those who neither seek their own glory nor speak with arrogant claims. Yours that catch my attention, when tears well up in your eyes and fall from them, are the doorway to true freedom. Let go of your responsibilities and let your cheeks to be. Feel everything authentically. Then let joy to flood your chest and calm to descend. Even if the world may have dealt you a harsh blow and you have endured a lot, my love, regain your strength and safety. Allow me to reassure you once more, in allowing these emotions to wash over you will bring about healing and renewal, my love. You'll notice a change in the bonds of self-doubt and previous injuries will start to loosen. You will enter every new day with a more upbeat attitude and a warmer heart open to the pleasures and possibilities I present to you. This metamorphosis is for more than just you. Benefit, but also acts as a lighthouse for others in your dazzling life filled with my love, and characterized by transformation, will bear witness to my grace, and so additionally, while you walk this path of love, inspire others to follow in your footsteps. Tell them about how my love has changed your life, and extend an invitation for them to feel the same deep contentment and tranquility. Your path is a